What could drive a man to walk into a CVS and suddenly attack an employee with no clear reason at all?
Oh my God, you're stupid. You're so dumb. Dumb? Are you dumb?
And he just said my team is dead, so I was like, do you
I do need you back.
Thank you.
Asia, I called also.
All right.
You cannot do that. I just did it. Oh my God, you.
Hey, everybody, go in the office. Go in the office. I went. Because it's not worth it. So you are a value. You are a value. The less people that I have, Janelle, go.
I'm videoing.
Oh, you video.
Everybody, hold on, man. What's up, man? What you want to do? You can't do shit. They dead. And you can't even work. Stupid. Who's dead? You're the company now. Call them, let's go about that team, huh? Everybody call. You can't do shit. I have no moves. I have all the moves. You have none. You have none. Look at you. Piece of shit. Ah! You're respect. You want to start it. What do you do? Step out of the way. You're real. Let's back. Go ahead and what? Get humiliated. You're here to bring up here? Motherfucker wolf. Fuck the wolves. Yeah, you go. Think about shit like this. You're a goddamn mutt.
He's not gonna touch me. He's not gonna touch me. So go.
Bitch, I would get your house in the home. With your head off. Look at home. Every day. Ah! Oh, you doing something? Ain't this shit. Mutt. Knock that ass out.
Devin, get
I need you
upstairs
to go
now.
because it's an escalation tactic.
Soft ass over here. Back it. Come on. Let's go, punk. Yeah. Run. Snap. Oh, and what? Punch like this. Oh my God. Oh, that shit's going. Huh? You do that? Huh? Police. What the police gonna do? Huh? Who's gonna get back? Stupid. Huh? Oh, shit. Stupid. Your brain slow. Like a little dumb dead dog. Dumb dead dog. I can't wait to get on, man. What? You ain't gonna do shit. You can't do shit. You know who I am? Do you understand that, you dumb, slow, retarded cunt? You understand that? You do something. What the fuck is wrong with you? Look.
You said you gotta go with the
Look
get your
at
baby.
that sloppy bill. Look at that.
Go.
What is that? You call it.
You said you gotta go get your
We
paper.
call it sloppy
Paper?
ass shit. Huh? I wish you would roll. Take your fucking head off. I need you to be
Oh, thank you. At this point, I could just.
Morgan. What's up?
Morgan.
Huh?
I'm gonna need you to go.
Shut up.
Go, Morgan.
Yeah, because you're gonna get your heart ripped out. Look, I am, bitch. You know what a punk ass human. There's all kind of shit going on. You see that? You get too close right there. They like, you just said, baby, like, ah. Then you fight. I'm so fucking stupid. I just want to suck it. Okay? Do it.
Sorry, co-prep.
Okay.
I have video for you also if you need it. He's starting the whole entire team.
What's going on, man?
What's up, bro?
How you doing?
Where you come from?
Huh?
Where you come from?
The police department.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Okay, you're acting?
Yeah. What's
Okay.
going on today, man?
Yeah, how you doing?
Good. Did they ask you to leave?
Yeah, man, they did.
Okay, why didn't we
you're
leave?
a robot. You're a robot. Okay, that's nice.
We didn't want to leave?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
I don't want to know.
We're gonna head out.
You know what the fuck I am? Huh? You know what?
Go home. Get on your stomach, man.
Stop it.
Get on your
All right.
Turn
Get
over.
on your belly. All right. Get on your belly. On your belly. Hey, hey. All right, on your belly. Roll that way. Hey, they go. Roll that way. I can't. Yes, you can.
Turn. Give me one more. You're gonna get tased.
Okay, okay, okay. All right, turn it back. Turn this arm. Right here. All right, bring that other one back. Okay, bring it back. There we go. There we go. Jerry, right? Is that your name? Jerry?
On your side. Come on. Well,
And we're gonna sit you up, okay? Yep. The fight's done, okay? You with me? Hey, you with me? Alright, let's sit you on your butt. Get you in the back of this car over here.
I think so.
Okay. Thanks.
Hopefully it's not too long to send, but
No.
I did it. I tried to do it in certain clips. I'm the union representative for this location.
I'm
We're
a
just-
district
and she's a district leader.
Have
He's a
this,
district leader.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
yeah.
Has this guy been here before?
That would be probably a key question.
Okay.
Has he behaved like that before? So he's a little bit skittish.
Okay.
Well, it's schizophrenia.
Hey, you said you have that video.
Yeah, my video is very. I mean, I'm gonna show you what he was doing in the store before I called you guys. He
Okay.
chased two women out of here, but I have to pull it up there.
Okay.
And then he was getting near your gun, and I was like, oh, I didn't want to say the gun word.
Yeah.
And it goes on for like 5.5 minutes.
Do you remember what part he said you guys would be or whatever?
Yeah, he said, I'll the whole team. I don't remember what part it was, though.
You alright? Yep. Taste? No. Tackle? Yeah. You gotta take that. That's alright. Good witnesses for Jamie? You guys have video?
Yep.
Yes. Perfect.
I imagine it's a mix of mental health and drugs.
Yeah.
Kind of just,
Yep.
I got just.
So what happened? We was having a meeting in the back room, went in the office. I visualized them two arguing. Him and then the dude y'all got in the car. Manager. Yeah. So I said it out loud. She came down, tried to like mediate.
Yeah.
I stepped in between him and her because he was getting aggressive. He pushed me. I pushed him. He punched me. I pushed him again. And then he kind of just like backed up. And I was.
Do you want to press charges? Or do you want to go for whatever you got now?
He broke what he got now. I ain't tripping. It wasn't like we got into a fight and he hurt me or nothing. So
Yeah.
he need to sober up. That's all.
Okay. Appreciate you.
You
sure you don't want anything done?
It didn't.
Okay. Was it a haymaker or?
Nah,
It was more so like just one of like,
Push
yeah,
it like
and then they
that.
backed up, and then it was more like a standoff.
Yeah, it's there for the call.
So, but there was contact.
Copy, you can cancel theirs. Copy.
Alright, fair enough. Okay, gotcha. Let me see what it really is. Let me see what it really is. Because it's really about to get bad for it now. From hell, bro. I was never born. You're a dumb hoe. What's your face? Yep. Come on. Man, it's all kinds of stuff around. You ain't worried about it. You ain't trying to make that sector. I mean, if you don't think you're going to be buddy. You're buddy.
Is it?
You're daddy. I'm telling you, bro. Give it back here. Kill your petition, man. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Hey, sir. Can you hear me? Sir, I'm Sergeant Donahue. Can you hear me, sir? You wish to talk to me? I can't tell if I'm staring if that's a response or not. You wish to talk to me about what happened? Sir. Sir, can you hear me? Alright, let the record show that the individual is not willing to talk to me.
Ready? Hey, ready? Chad, ready? Somebody eat you. Ready? Yep. This is another game. I feel it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is strength. Oh my god. I've never come from my life. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bullshit. Ready? Go. So this is gonna happen. You're gonna touch him. And you're gonna. I'm telling you, this was gonna happen.
Hey brother, you gonna walk for us? Are you gonna walk or you need a chair? Or you want it strapped in? Jerry.
Strapped
Jerry.
in. Strapped in.
You want strapped in?
Strapped in.
You don't want to walk? You want to walk? Or do you want to be placed on a cot and walk strapped in?
Okay. We don't need to spit anymore. Come on.
Get a chair.
Alright.
What's your name, man? Gulata. You police? Hey. Are you police? You police? Let me see your badge. Alright. Face the glass. Okay. That's just my bags. Bag of werewolves. Bag of days. I swear to God, man, I love you so much. I love you so much, man. You're living in this. I've seen some of your converted.